Hello athletes, आज I am going to share my experience of participating in climbing race. ये race 5th December को हुआ and I participated in 4 ghat category. So we had to cover Kelghar Ghat, Ambenali Ghat, Tapola Ghat and Kelghar Ghat again in that order. First part, planning and getting there. I reached Mahabaleshwaram on 4th morning around 9 a.m. के बाद ही I started assembling my bike. Good that I did that. I figured out there was a mechanical issue. So I called Shreyadi Classic team and they told me that around bib collection time bike support team will also be there, which is at 3. So I waited till then and went for bib collection and getting my bike fixed to the venue. Naren Bhai from NASA bike team was very helpful. There was an issue with my rear hub and brake. We got that sorted. Then bib collection time was also at 3 p.m. It moved to 4:30, then 5:30. I think this is one part which could have been better. But yeah, being flexible is part of the game. So got done with bib collection and sorting out bike by 6 p.m. Came back to the room. के बाद did my pre-ride meal जो कि mostly दाल खिचड़ी होता है and before sleeping just laid out my kit for the next morning, a nutrition plan. So I was carrying 2 water bottles, 500 ml each, and I was planning to take around 80 to 100 grams of carbs per hour. Given efforts would mostly be in the range of high tempo and threshold. Yeah, this was day 1, 4th December, before the race starts in Mahabaleshwaram. Next morning, early descent. To get to the start point of Kelghar Ghat, start time was 5:30 a.m. and वो मुझे पूरा descend करके जाना था. I was staying at the top, so I was slightly worried and nervous about that early morning descent, and I was also not sure about कितना cold होगा. Good that Ame messaged in the main group, raising or asking for similar inputs. I messaged him and we decided to, descend together. So that was a good thing. Just 5 kilometers in the descent, we got support from official vehicle. Tempo Traveler was going down to the start point. And they were, helpful enough to ask us to put our bikes there. And so we got to the start line with their support. So Ghat 1 was Kelghar Ghat. It was 15 kilometers, around 600 meters of elevation. For the first one, I was not really sure about, how to pace it. I just wanted to go with the flow. And good that it was happening in, dark. We couldn't visually see the gradients and it was not that intimidating. We started at 5:30 a.m. Ame started, pulling. So I just tried staying with him and we met few more riders on the way. I decided to just stay with the group with Amey, Sarang, Chaitanya also slightly ahead. So that was the group I thought, I was able to sustain that path. So first 10 kilometers were challenging, but rest 5 was rolling. Overall, this was a good climb. I finished it in 53 minutes. That was Ghat 1. After that, we had to get to the start point of Ambenali Ghat, 9 a.m. The longest climb for the day. 30 kilometer का descent करना था. उसके बाद we had to climb that. So again, Amey and I, we decided to descend together. And it was good to, get a sense of road conditions. Road conditions were fairly good. Just few bad patches off road. So we got to the base. We got to the base around 8 a.m. So वहाँ पे we had some food. All athletes were waiting there, were getting ready. So then the start time moved to 9:13 a.m. That was 15 minutes more. Here the plan was again to stay consistent. मतलब ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए फर्स्ट हाफ में आई पुश अ लॉट एंड देन सेकंड हाफ में माय output dip and I was thinking, so this was a 30 kilometer climb with almost 1200 meters of elevation. I was thinking to get it done in around 2 hours. So this started at 9:15 a.m. With every start, there is a lot of energy, there are slogans and a lot of excitement, so that helps in a way. We started at 9:15. First 10 kilometer I felt took me more than 40 minutes. So I felt कि मेरा जो 2 घंटे का गोल है वो मीट नहीं होगा. And again, similar strategy. I was just trying to stick with the guys with whom I could sustain the pace. So Amey was there, then Sarang was there. So after 10 kilometer, I think the next 11 to 20 kilometer, they were relatively easier. Got that done in around 30 minutes. So now for the last 10 kilometers, that 2 goal was looking doable. Last 10 kilometers was about just push with whatever I had left in the tank. I just felt it was not within my limit to stay with him in terms of power numbers, but it was good to just push and see what I can get it done. Got there at the top. Overall finish time 1 hour 51 minutes, and this was a brutal climb. Right, 30 kilometers, 1200 meter elevation gain. But overall, I felt given the target was 2 hours, I did well. I was happy with that performance. Then just waited for Amey to come in. I wanted to have something solid. So we thought we will, just descend to the Kapola Ghat base and then I will have something solid. To the base, realized there wasn't any solid available. So just worked with whatever was there. Coke and bananas from the the team was having it, Shadri arrangements for that. Also, it was like good change while when we were descending Kapola Ghat, we could see, riders from other category climbing up. Good to see more folks coming, participating, other categories, so on and so forth. We also realized that first 10 kilometers is a lot of climbing and rest 15 is more or less rolling on Kapola. Here also, the start time 1:45, but because Ambenali moved by 15 minutes, this also moved to 2 p.m. And mentally I was prepared to push for first 10 kilometers. I was saying that 10 kilometers where steep climbing is, then it becomes rolling. Same thing, we started with all that excitement, slogans. By this time I think it was very clear which group of riders would stay together or close by. So I was with Amey, Chaitanya, Lakshman, Sarang, that group, few meters here and there. So I was trying to push for first 10 kilometers. I think did well, but couldn't push as much as I wanted in last 15, which was the rolling terrain. So I don't know whether it was lapse in nutrition or it was placebo. That मैं अपने आप को बोल रहा था अरे तूने solid नहीं खाया इसलिए तू इतना push नहीं कर पा रहा है. Whatever it was, I finished this cart in 1 hour 18 minutes. I felt here I could have been 2-3 minutes faster, but that's part of the game. And so we got done with Kapola Ghat, third of the day, and only one more to go. Waited for Amey to come in, rested there for a while, and then this time we directly went to have something solid. I was again going for dal khichdi. I was under the assumption that given 15 minutes got added to every climb, this would start at 5:15. But हमें पता चला कि इसका start time 5 p.m. है. So we had to rush. We just rushed and started descending Kelghar Ghat. Got there just in time. I think 2 minutes पहले ही we got to the start line. This was the last ghat. Wanted to give whatever was left. Mentally I broke it down in 2 pieces again कि 10 kilometer का ही climb है, last 5 rolling है. So just think about doing 2 5 kilometer. That's how I was mentally pushing myself. We started, I think in this, the start was scattered. Men's open category went first, then 5-10 minutes later, masters category. So there was a scattered start here. Yes, started pushing, tried staying with Chaitanya again as much as possible. Mentally was telling myself just 10 kilometer, and that 10 kilometer done in daylight. Don't run into इतना भी धीरे मत हो जाना कि आधे घंटे से ज्यादा लग जाए. So that was just the self talk I was having at that point in time. Got to the after I got done with 10 kilometer, then it was a bit of relief that more or less this is done. Pushed with whatever was left for last 5 kilometer rolling. I got this done in 58 minutes. And around 58 minutes. So 5 minutes slower than when we did this climb in the morning as first ghat. But overall, just huge relief to get done, finish all 4 ghats. Met folks here, clicked some photos for memories. And then after this, it was time to go for ceremony. Great vibes. It was good to see, I met our ultra cycling legends, Kabir, Amit Samar, and made new friends throughout the day. One thing I found really good was that in every category there were top awards for top 5 participants or winners, which is good. Usually I've seen this to be 3. Gives that extra motivation to be part of that top 5. So that was good. Overall great vibes at the ceremony, and enjoyed the event. I think a big thanks to organizers. It's not easy to conduct an event in India, more so on open roads, and this was a ghat area also. Multiple categories, rider safety is paramount. Considering all of that, this was very well organized. I've spoken about few things related to communication, bib collection time, not getting to know about it in advance. Similarly, start time changing, in the last minute. Those are slight things which I feel could have been better. But yeah, thoroughly enjoyed the event. It's one of its kind. I would definitely, be back, more training, trying to improve my performance. Also, I realized that doing these climbs, which are like 25, 30, 25 kilometers long, now when I go and attempt Nandi Hills in Bangalore, I'm more confident, I'm more aware of how much I can push, how I can मैं अपने आप को pace कैसे कर सकता हूँ. So that helped. I have not done these big climbs in this format. So as an athlete, that वो एक confidence आया है to like how to pace even on longer climbs, and if long climbs में अपने आप को ऐसे pace कर सकता हूँ, so maybe how I can push myself more in shorter climbs. So that was a good part. Overall, fantastic event. Thank you so much.